So I think the customers that I speak with, security is probably the number one impediment that they see to doing IoT related projects. Risk management is a huge issue, and opening the attack surface to all the things that IoT brings with it is a concern. So, and different organizations, the IT organization looks at security differently from the OT organization, the operation side. IT organization thinks of security in the traditional confidentiality, integrity, availability paradigm, right? Whereas the line of business, operations organization, they tend to think of it in the other way, right? So availability being the most paramount, and then integrity, and then confidentiality in that order. So I think the key thing, some of the lessons that I've learned over the 10, 15 years that I've been involved with critical infrastructure security, IoT, and various verticals, is to up-level the conversation, right? So not get bogged down with how to address security from either the IT perspective or the OT perspective, but rather to look at it from a use case perspective. So what are the use cases that your organization wants to implement, and then protect the sanctity of those use cases as they're being implemented. Understanding that security is not just about the technology. Microsoft, HP can provide you with the best technology possible, but if the people and the process side is not handled properly, none of it means anything. So making sure that that's taken care of is important from a security perspective. And then finally, I think one of the key things from a security perspective, one of the lessons that we've learned is that you can address various points in the security continuum in terms of defending yourself or doing postmortems of security events. But unless you have done the full cycle, which includes the product security, the defense, the postmortem, and then kind of continuous improvement of your security posture, it doesn't really work. You have to have a full continuum. So those are some of the lessons that we have learned over the past few years, and we are now able to work with customers to move them much faster along the IoT digitization framework than we used to be by addressing the security concerns in this way.